Hi, lovely people. How are you? How is your day going? Let me know in the comments how your day is going. Mine is doing great. Just sounded like Tony the Tiger. I'm doing great. Who remembers that back in the day? Leave it down below. All right, so if you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing the brand new Hank and Henry subscription box. So this is brand new. This is the first box ever that they are doing. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $37 bi-monthly. I believe if you pay like 6 months, you can get it for $36 a month, and a year would be a little bit cheaper. I will leave everything down below. Right before I start filming this, I did look and they still had some available. So that is definitely exciting because I love Hank and Henry. But before I begin, make sure that you are subscribed. Like this video because it does help me. Well, no, because you don't know if you're going to like this video or not. So hold off on that, but make sure you turn your notification bell on because I have a few giveaways coming up my sleeve. Very, very soon. I have a couple left. One just got over, so I believe there's 2 more left. So I'll leave it down below if you want to check them out. And without further ado, let's move on. All right, Hank and Henry. So let's open her up. I was so excited. You guys were the ones that told me about this subscription. So I got right on it. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. It has some owls. All right, so it has a little card and that's what it looks like. I don't even know what's in here. I didn't look at any spoilers or anything. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'll read you what it says. It says, "My dearest night owls, words cannot describe how much I appreciate and love you. This first box is our best of Hank and Henry beauty and will include our top sellers and customer favorites. I'm so excited to start this new journey with you. Much love, H&M." All right, and then right here, I guess this tells you what is in here. All right, so this is the July. Oh, this is the July box. Okay, so that's what it says right here, July box. It says the value is $145, averaging $6 per item. So 2, 4, 5, 6. It looks like we're getting 6 things. All right, so let's take some of this stuff off. So it's packaged very, very nice. All right, so let's see. I am getting these 2 right here. These look like these eyeshadows, and I have been wanting to try these. These are like, at least, I don't know. I'll put the price right here, how much these are. So that's what it looks like. Hank and Henry. What does it say? This is the Knight's Queen right here. That's what I got, the Knight's Queen. All right, so let's open her up. I really like their lipsticks. Rich Lux had just collabed with a lipstick or a lip gloss. It's sold out. I wanted it so bad. Would you look at that packaging? That is gorgeous. Look at that. All right. So on the top, it comes with 2 eyeshadows. You guys can see. And then when you open this part up, if I can get it open, then you have like the glitter right there. So let's do some swatches. I am so excited. All right, so I'm gonna swatch these 2 right there. These are nice for like simple looks, you know, if you just want to, you know, do a couple eyeshadow looks, you know, and then you have to go out the door. That's perfect. That's what I'm wearing today. So at the end of this unboxing, if you want to stay tuned, I'll show you what I am wearing. So there we go. Look at that. Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look. That is so, so pretty. All right, so open this part up and do the glittery part. I don't know if this is like, you can use this as a highlighter or if you want some more sparkle. Let's see if I can get that little sticker. Okay, I got it. I got it. All right. So there we go. Oh, that's pretty. I only got a little bit. Let me get a little more because I didn't know. That is so pretty. If you guys can see, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it with this light, but I think if you did this wet, do I have anything to spray? Oh my God, that would be so pretty. You could do that as like a highlighter. That is gorgeous. All right, so I am definitely excited about that. Then we have one more. And this is the El Jeffy, right there. And these are cruelty-free. All right, so we have the same packaging. All right, so this is like black right there. Both of them have a mirror. And then it's a little hard to open up this bottom one, let's see. This is like a greenish color. Okay, so let's swatch them. So we have a matte and a shimmer right there. Oh my God, that is beautiful. So there we go. So pretty. All right, and let me do this shimmer part. Come on, sticker. All right, I got it. So this is like a greenish silver. Oh, that is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. Let's put that over the mat. That is so gorgeous if you want to do that. So pretty. Like, I love this. All right, let me get a makeup wipe because I am making a mess. All right. So we have that. So that's the eyeshadows. And then it looks like we have a couple lipsticks and I don't know if this is like an eyebrow product or whatever. So let's do the lipsticks. Okay, so we have 3 lipsticks right there. So we have Presidential, Pedal Pusher, and Comma Dry? I'm not sure. All right, so let's do Presidential. Let's open her up. So that's the packaging. That is really pretty. And they're liquid lipsticks. They don't look like it, right? But they're so pretty. All right. This is a lip gloss. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it. Let's see. Let me put it right here. It's like a cream color lip gloss. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see that. I'll put it over this lipstick and let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That is really. It's not, I'm getting, look at the one, I'm getting all red. The formula is nice. It's not sticky at all. Like, I really like this formula. So I am definitely excited to get that. That's Presidential. All right, so then we have Pedal Pusher. So let's see what that's about. All right, so we have that shade. That's a gorgeous shade. Right there. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. That would look good with this eye look. And then we have, last but not least, is Camadre. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And that's like a nude color. So this nude, and then you put that lip gloss over, that would be pretty. That is gorgeous. Oh, yes. This will look good with the eye look I'm wearing too. Oh, that is so pretty. And I mean, this is like a perfect combination. They did it so good because the eyeshadows will go with all of the lipsticks. That lip gloss can go over this very nice and that very nice. I mean, gorgeous. So we have these 3 colors right there. All right, and last but not least is this, and I have no idea what this is. So let's see. So this is Henry. Oh, okay. This must be, is this an eyebrow thing or a mascara? Let's see, what's on this side? Right there. What is it? Let's see. Let me read this card and see what it says. One Slick It With. Oh, it's a mascara. Okay, so we have a mascara. So that's good. Oh, so here's prices. So the mascara is $19. That lip gloss was $18. The lipsticks are $34. Holy crap. Maybe all together or a piece. There's two of them. So maybe $34. No, that's got to be like together. And then the eyeshadows are $74. So they're like 30 something a piece. I do know that. So that is amazing. I am so excited. Does it say the color of the mascara? I don't know, because if it is black or brown. I'll leave it right here. I'll definitely try it out. I don't swatch it on my hand or nothing like that, because it looks like it's black. I want to say it's black. It is black, so that's good. Yeah, it's definitely black. All right, so I'm definitely excited. So let's recap what we got one more time. So we have a mascara. We have these eyeshadows, which are amazing. Oh my God, that's how excited I threw it. We have two liquid lipsticks, and then we have a lip gloss. And that's everything, guys. It is worth $145. You pay $37 for it. You definitely get your value. And I just love their formula. I am so excited. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you think it's worth it? Would you get it? Let me know. And if you stayed to the end, if you're wondering what is on my face, I am wearing the Lorac eyeshadow. This is the Lorac 3 palette. I wanted to go like kind of like just like cool tone, because I don't usually wear a lot of cool tone eyeshadows. So this is what I wore. So I use this to set my eyelid. I went in with this color as my transition, and then I deepened it up with terracotta right there. And then I used medallion on my lid, and then I deepened it up with, it says a dark brown, and that's what I have on my eyes, and then a little mascara on top. But I wanted to go like kind of like a cool tone, soft look, because I tried a few products that I did get in PR, which I really appreciated. Pure did send me this. So this is the Lip Mist. This is Illuminating Setting Spray, and I have used this for about a week now, and I was kind of weary because I am like oily in my T-zone. But if you can see, it just kind of makes like a glass look on your face. And I really like it. So I think this is great if you have a soft eyeshadow look and then you put this on, it looks so good. I really like this. Then I also got this for your eyes. This is like an eye gel right here, if you can see. And after I like lotion my face and everything else, I go in with this because I am older. I am 43 and my eyes are getting more dry, so you can get more fine lines. And I actually really like this. Like, this is something I would repurchase in a heartbeat when I run out of this. I love this so much. It like, once I put my foundation and everything on, it does not get cakey or anything. I love it. And last but not least, this is on like a, okay, so we have this contour stick, and then it does come with this, what do you call this? What is this? Sponge. Couldn't think of it. I didn't use this, but I've got this before in BoxyCharm. Remember, we got a set of 3. So it's not like my favorite, but it's okay. So I didn't use this particular one, but I have used these before. But this is the contour. It's called Cameo Contour. And this is in the shade medium. So I didn't use this one because when I swatched it, it's definitely too dark for me to highlight with. That is just too dark. For my liking, it's too yellow, but the contour side, I love. I did use that today. I've been using it for a couple days. Let me show you. It is like the perfect shade for me, and it blends out so good. Like, I definitely recommend this too. The problem with this, it's like, I have to get a medium shade for the contour, because if I get a light shade, the contour shade is too light. But then for this, it's too dark. Do you know what I mean? I need the light. So I wish they sold them like separate where you get to pick out what you want. Like I said, I did get sent these 3 items, and I like all of them, but this is like the showstopper. Like, I really, really like this. This is just something I wouldn't wear this like when I'm going like really glam on my eyeshadow. To me, my preference is would be a little bit too much. But when you have a soft eye look, I think it looks beautiful, and I'll definitely, especially in the summer, I love cream products. I'll definitely keep using the contour shade. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that and what I think of those, and that's everything, guys. Let me know, like I said, what you think of this subscription box. And did you get it? And let me know how your day is. And that's everything, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video. If you don't like it, dislike it. Let me know. Make sure you rate this video. And turn that notification bell on, because I have a few videos as well, but I have a few giveaways coming up, and also so you can be notified when I upload a video. And that's everything, guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.